Hello everyone. Today we will be installing our Dell Optiplex micro wall mount. To get started, we will need a few things: a Phillips head screwdriver, screws, and for the monitor we will need spacers. For this installation we will be using a 17-inch Dell monitor. For this particular monitor, the spacers are required. Both the screws and the spacers are found in the hardware pack included with your wall mount. The first thing we will do is place the spacers over the holes on the monitor for the screws. Once the spacers have been placed over the holes, we will align the holes from the wall mount with the holes on the spacers and begin screwing the mount into the monitor. Before mounting the monitor, you will need to mark the holes on the wall, then use the included drywall anchors. Once the drywall anchors are in the wall, you can screw the screws into the drywall anchors, creating a place for you to mount your wall mount. Once the wall mount has been fastened to the back of the monitor, we can insert the Optiplex into the wall mount. Once it has been installed correctly to the monitor, we can now mount our Dell Optiplex micro wall mount to the wall.